It's not easy for ladies to fly in these storms. Perhaps John tried to send word earlier. No.
Zip your face, old
This is the way he... I've heard gossip. The Dragon Queen. It's quite beautiful. Does not have to do with anything.
Really, Sansa?
John is young and unmarried. Daenerys is young and unmarried. He was named King in the North. He can't be unnamed.
Dude, fuck you, no.
Even if I wanted to, Arya would never go alone. She always loved Jon.
They're playing him, I feel it.
Kill anyone who betrayed her family.
Sometimes, when I try to understand a person's motives, I play a little game. I assume the worst.
Yeah, of course you do.
What's the worst reason they could possibly have? Why did you come to Winterfell?
To be with John?
To kill me.
No, she didn't. What the fuck?
For marrying our enemies and betraying my family. To provide proof of my betrayals. To provide justification.
I don't believe this bullshit. And she shouldn't either.
And after she murders you,
Lady of Winterfell.
But she knows Arya. Arya would never want to be a lady. She knows that. Yeah, some bullshit. Bullshit.
But if we're going to be allies in this war,
yeah,
it's important for the Northerners to see us as allies. If we sail to White Harbour together, I think it sends a better message.
yeah. It wouldn't be safer, but it put them,
I've not come to conquer the North.
yeah, at an equal level.
I'm coming to save the North.
Oof, she listened to John and not him.
We sail together.
Is he gonna kill him?
Run away, little Theon. It's what you do best.
Oh. Yeah, kill him. Come on, Theon, go. Keep fighting. The men are gonna stop him. Because he won't give up. Ah! He doesn't have a dick! Oh my god, that's brilliant! Ah!
Have my sister brought to the Great Hall.
Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck is this shit? Like, seriously, Bran knows so much and he's not doing anything with that knowledge. Just seeing it play out, like, help a sister out.
Are you sure you want to do this?
It's not what I want. It's what Honor demands.
And what does Honor demand?
Dude, Jon would never
The type of
frickin'
family
forgive
family
Sansa
from
if
those who
she
harm
killed
us.
Arya.
The type
She
of
knows
family
that.
from those who would betray us.
Alright then. Get on with it.
What the heck? She's gonna have to kill all those guys?
Of murder. You stand accused of treason. How do you answer these charges? Lord Baelish.
Woo! Oh my gosh. Dude, that was a freaking Arya smirk. Oh my gosh. Yes!
My sister asked you a question.
He's so shocked.
Lady Sansa, forgive me. I'm a bit confused.
These charges confuse you. You conspired with Cersei Lannister and Joffrey Baratheon to betray our father Ned Stark. Thanks to your treachery, he was imprisoned and later executed on false charges of treason. Do you deny it?
Oh
deny it.
shit, bro. You are
None of you
fucked.
were there to see what happened.
None of you knows the truth.
You held a knife to his throat.
He saw it. He saw it. Yes.
You said, I did warn you not to trust me.
Thank you, Bran. Finally. Bran is the real player.
I've known you since you were a girl. Give me a chance to defend myself. I deserve that.
No, you don't.
I think not.
Ha ha.
Sansa.
Ah.
I loved your mother since
Oh my gosh, on his fucking knees and crying. Die.
I loved you
Bro.
more than anyone.
And yet you betrayed me. Thank you for all your many lessons, Lord Baelish. I'll never forget them.
Arya's gonna do it! Oh my god! Tears of happiness again. This is amazing. Thank God. That was so satisfying.
I always knew you were the stupidest Lannister.
What?
Starks and Targaryens have united against us and want to fight alongside them. Are you a traitor or an idiot?
He clashed our forces.
You expect me to trust the man who murdered our father? You expect
Come
me to
on,
command our troops
Cersei.
to fight beside foreign scum?
Man, I thought she was being nice for once in her life, but apparently not.
Eyes. You saw a dead
Not
man
too
trying to
surprising
kill us.
though.
I saw it burn.
We can't beat them. We can't beat their dragons.
How many dragons did you see at the pit?
2.
What happened to the third?
Fuck.
For all we know, it's guarding a fleet.
She came here with her dragons and her
Shit!
Dothraki and her unsullied. She came to show us all her power.
Cersei, why do you have to be so smart
Something
and
happened.
ruthless all the time?
We can't. Do you really think Euron Greyjoy turned head and sailed back to the Iron Islands?
Oh.
Do you think he abandoned the chance to marry the Queen?
Okay, I totally did not expect that, so kudos to the show. That was really fucking smart.
I
didn't conspire.
You met with him in secret without my consent. You planned.
Is she gonna
for my
kill
enemy's
him?
interest. That is the definition of conspiracy.
Oh fuck, I knew it! Not Jamie, dude! He actually has like a decent heart, you know? She's gonna do it. She's gonna... Fuck! Man, she is ruthless. Wait, he's still alive? Huh. Get on you, Danish dude.
I became the three-eyed raven.
Oh. You saw this in a vision.
He got a raven. Mwah!
He needs to know the truth
Oh shit.
Truth about what?
about himself.
Yeah, tell him.
No one knows. No one but me.
Tell him.
John isn't really my father's son. He's the
Yes.
son of Rhaegar Targaryen and my aunt Lyanna Stark. His last name isn't really Snow. It's Son.
He's not.
He's Targaryen.
English bastards are named Sam.
At the Citadel, I transcribed a High Septon's diary. He annulled Rhaegar's marriage to Alia. Is this something you can see?
Yeah, oh my god.
Father, Smith, warrior. Mother, maiden,
She did it willingly?
stranger.
They were in love. Well, that's surprising.
He loved her.
Oh my god. It's just like, oh shit!
And she loves him.
Oh shit. Oh, fuck, this is awkward. He doesn't know that he's her nephew. Okay, some sexy time shit is gonna happen right now. Okay. Ooh. Are we not gonna see anything?
John's real name
Is Targaryen.
It's Aegon Targaryen.
Wow. I like John more though. Holy shit! Ah! Oh, it's really gross if you think about it, but still ship it. Man butt. You're fucking your nephew.
He's the heir to the Iron Throne.
Whoa. And they kind of have to get married. Is Tyrion jealous or what's going on?
He needs to know.
Wait, does this mean that Bran can see his brother having sex with his aunt? Whoa. A lot of stuff has happened this episode and my brain hurts.
Stream.
I never could have survived what you survived.
You would have. You're the strongest person I know.
I believe that's the nicest thing you've ever said to me.
Yeah.
Don't get used to it.
Tormund. Are you gonna see them? Again? Are they coming? Are they coming? Are they coming? They're coming. Oh fuck, you guys better leave. Where's the dragon? Holy shit, that's a lot of them. No wonder they took so long. They're walking so slow. That horse is cool. Fuck. Two of them, get out of there! Off. Zombie dragon coming at you. How can it fly with holes in its wings? Hey, someone's riding it! Ah! Yeah, run. Run like you're on fire. Because you're gonna be. Just fucking zip line all the way down. Bungee jump. Anything. And that guy's loving it. Tormund, why are you still there? The wall has kept them safe for so long. Is he dead? Aww. Oh my god. That was way too fucking easy. What was that then? I have to wait until 2019? Oh! 2019? That was amazing. Jesus. I don't even know what I was expecting for this episode, but they just gave us a lot. Mind blown. That was incredible. I can't even comprehend what I've just seen. Of course my camera died right when I was about to say goodbye to you guys, but overall I thought this season was great. The timing was a bit off, which I know a lot of people commented on overall about the show, but I do think there are a lot of great surprises, some nice deaths, a lot of suspense, especially for the next season, which I think will be the last one. Anyways, I hope you all have enjoyed all my reactions. I really did enjoy making them. Like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you all for watching. Bye.